Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. In the previous lecture, we talked about structures. Today we'll talk about union. Let's see the key features. If you remember, in structure, we saw that it can contain elements with different data types. Same in union. But what is the difference between structure and union is in structure, for each element you have different memory location, but in union, for each element you have only one memory location. All elements share same memory location. You have only one memory location, you have multiple elements, but at a time only one element will be stored. This is the difference between structure and union. Since only one element can be stored at a time, only one element can be accessed at a time in case of union. Let's see the syntax. You use the keyword union. Inside that you can have variables with different data type. I have data type 1 variable name 1. Then I have a variable with different data type 2 variable name 2. And then I give the name of the union. What are the advantages? Since we saw that all the elements share the same memory location, that is why this data type union is more memory efficient. In what applications we will use union? In applications where you want to have elements with different data type, but at a time you want to access only one element. That is when we will use union. In the upcoming lecture, we will see a coding example of union, after which all these points will be more clear. To stay tuned, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Thank you.